Hey guys, we are back with another oral irrigator. So we've reviewed a couple of these in the past. Let's go ahead and show you what this one looks like and show you all the accessories. So it does give you a manual inside there, but it's pretty basic. A lot of people use these for after they brush their teeth to rinse out their mouth or to clean out their mouth and so much more. So you got multiple different ends here. So they give you a multi-pack. Your power cable is a USB type and it plugs in the back, so any USB port can charge that. Let's see, they give you a carrying bag here, and this is the device itself. It's black with a nice clear opening. So what you do is you put the water inside here by lifting up this little tab here, put the water inside, don't overfill it. And then you have your extension end at the top where you put your nozzle. So that just drops right down in here. It clicks on, and if you want to take it off, you press the button and pop it right out. Very simple. You have your power button and mode button right here. So power it on. It has a battery indicator light on there as well. You have normal, soft, and pulse. Just press the power button to turn it off. Let's go ahead and fill it up and show you guys how it works. Alright guys, so we got this filled up with water. You press the power and there you go. Now you have different modes here. What's funny is people actually use these for cleaning toilets and also their sinks. So you would fill it with water and then you just clean around your sink. As well as, you know, what the purpose is used for, but it works great as a sink cleaner. But anyway, whatever you decide to use it with, you know, on your mouth as it's intended or another purpose use, I think this one's going to do a good job.